Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogtober day 8, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my meal plan and how I incorporate some fall meals into my meal plan. I'm going to be sharing with you how I made my meal plan, why did I make a meal plan, how do I go about picking meals for my meal plan. So if that's something that you want to see, then stay tuned. Okay, so why did I choose a meal plan? You guys, I chose a meal plan because one, I was a working mom. I needed to be on a budget because my family was growing. And I got tired of trying to figure out what I was gonna cook that night for dinner. And then when I became a stay-at-home mom, it helped my kids with structure. It helped me have some sanity throughout the day because I had a toddler and then I had a newborn baby, and then I was just like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna fix? So a meal plan can help with that. And then I also taught pre-K in Japan when my husband was in the military, and I've always been exposed to lunch menus, food menus. I saw that this was helping the picky eaters in my classroom eat better, and this also helped my children try different things. So if you struggle with any of that, a meal plan is going to be your best friend. Okay, so how do I pick meals for my meal plan? First thing you gotta do is set a budget for yourself. So I base these meals around my budget. You wanna set a budget. How much do you want to spend on groceries? Now when I first started, I just put together the meals that was easy for me, from breakfast Monday through Sunday, snack Monday through Sunday, lunch Monday through Sunday, dinner Monday through Sunday, and I put all the things and all the ingredients that I was gonna need for those meals into a cart. So it is good to have a grocery app. Whatever grocery store you shop at, if they have an app, download it, sis, and use it. This is gonna help you get an idea of how much that grocery shop is going to cost for your meal plan. And then if it was over my budget, I just tweaked it and add some different things that was going to fit my budget. Once you have your meal plan established, it's gonna be smooth sailing from there. You already know how much you need to go grocery shopping. And what I like to do is, before I even go grocery shopping for my meal plan, I pantry and refrigerator shop. If it's some meals that I can make from my pantry and my refrigerator that I already have at home, I will prepare that. I will put that on my meal plan, and those meals will be my leftover meals. Because on Sunday, we have leftovers. I think it's Saturday or Sunday. We have leftovers, and whatever we have leftover from the week, I will add those meals in, and this is great for your picky eaters. So your kids can choose anything that they want to eat if they are a picky eater. And a lot of times they will be encouraged because kids usually follow behind the older kids. I'm going to be talking to you now about my meal plan. So I have a total of 3. I have a summer meal plan, a 2-week meal plan, and then I have my fall meal plan, which is what I'm going to be sharing with you today, and sharing my screen and showing you how I incorporate fall, winter month dinners into my week 1 meal plan. I chose my week 1 meal plan because that meal plan is the easiest, most cost-effective shopping meal plan ever. So what I like about my fall meal plan is we can choose dinners that are going to stretch. So I love these because I usually have leftovers, and these save me a lot of money. So with our fall meal plan, we have soups, we have chili, we have homemade chicken pot pie, we have foods that are hearty, and just those winter comfort foods. So another thing that I love about my fall meal plan, I know I'm going on and on about this fall meal plan, but girl, it saves you coin, and my picky 4-year-old loves a lot of meals that's on the fall meal plan. And it's a lot of fun things. We have soups. He loves soups. He loves crackers. And when I make the beef and chicken homemade pot pies, all my kids love those. So I'm going to bring the meal plan up closer so you can see it, and I'm going to be sharing with you my screen, how I made a meal plan, what I use to make the meal plan, and how I make it fun for the kids each day. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to give you an overview of my meal plan so you can just get an idea of how to do one yourself, and just an idea of what I have on there, what meals. As you can see, this is a 7-day meal plan. This is what we have each week. Now during the fall, I don't switch out the meal plan like I do for week 1 and week 2 of my 2-week meal plan. This is pretty much what we have. Now I do switch things around on the meal plan, and if it's something that the kids want to add, I'll take something away or add to it. Okay, so how I do my meal plan, since the kids are back in school, when they come home from school, they'll have a snack. Depending on what they ate for lunch that day, if they ate lunch at school, if it's a lunch day that I know is something that they not going to like or they might eat some of, then I'll prepare one of the lunch menus. And yes, you can see it's nothing fancy on here, it's just something quick and easy. And then before dinner or after dinner, depending on what was going on that day, what the kids got going on that day, they'll have a snack before dinner. Or if it's too late, then sometimes we'll have dinner early and then they'll have a snack before bedtime. So I am going to show you how I make this bad boy, how I added the little cute little fun things for the different months, and what I made this on. Okay, you guys, so here we are in my meal plan for week 1, and as you see here, I have the little October sign. I'm going to show you guys how you can add that in, but here is where I added the butternut squash soup, and we have turkey chili with crackers, some meatloaf and potato salad and green beans, just some hearty meals that you can have during these fall months. Now, I made this meal plan using Numbers app on my laptop. I have a Mac Air. So what I'm doing here is going around and seeing what I can take away and add to. And as you can see right here, we had cereals with bananas. I'm going to replace that with pumpkin muffins, because I usually make muffins during the fall months, and I will be making some pumpkin muffins, so stay tuned for the Vlogtober vlog so you can get that recipe. So right here I'm going down to see if I want to add anything to it as well, and I am going to be adding in some cinnamon rolls with hot cocoa. I'm trying to make sure that this is what I said I was going to add in my budget. So if I'm a little paused right here on these clips, it's because I was trying to go back into my little meal planning dishes and recipes and things to make sure that I did have enough in my budget to add this menu into the meal plan. So I went on ahead and add the cinnamon rolls and the hot cocoa onto the meal plan, and this is what I usually do. I'll go to make sure if it's something that I let the kids pick, that it is in my budget. So I'm going to add that in here, and I wanted to make the C a capital letter, y'all. I don't have to explain that. Y'all pretty much see what I'm doing right here as is. So once I get done doing that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I add in the little pictures and stuff. And you guys, it's a super duper easy. Now, if you don't have Numbers, or you're not on an Apple computer, I'm pretty sure you can do the same little table in Microsoft Word. And I just added a little table chart in there, and then I just went ahead and filled it in. Now, with the Numbers, little Numbers, I don't know what you call it, the app or little number software, it already has like a meal plan template. So I just went by that, and I just changed the color here to orange, to a more fall color. And I was just going over to see if I want to add anything to the little lunch menu. So as you can see right here, I have the little October sign. I just went ahead and did this so I can show you how you can add whatever little clip art that you want to add in here. So I went to Google, and I'm gonna type in October clip art, and I'm going to choose a clip art that I want. So here we are. I am going to choose the little bat one, October. I thought that was really, really cute. So I'm just going to click on it. And then once I click on it, I'm going to right click again. And then I'm going to copy that image. Okay. Once you copy the image, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to maximize that. Once you copy the image, I'm just going to click on it and then I'm going to paste it. It's going to show up a little big. You're just going to drag it down to fit, which is what I'm going to do here. And you guys, I looked up because this was PNG and I really like that. So I was trying to find in the next little slide, you're gonna see that I am trying to find some leaves to match the colors in the little October little picture here. But you're just going to, you know, play around with it to get it to the size to fit above your little table here. And that's what I'm doing right here. So I'm just going to set it right there because it kind of looks like it's sitting on top of the little table. And I wasn't a fan of the leaves. I was going to try to keep them, but then I was like, it don't really match. So I was trying to find some leaves to match the little picture here. And that's what you're going to see me doing next. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and change the date on my meal plan. So I'm just going to go ahead and change the date. Now, usually if I'm doing a week 1 or week 2 meal plan, I'll just change the date for week 1, you know, whatever, from what day to the end of the week. But right here, since I am not going to be switching from week 1 and week 2, I just went on ahead and did the 1st of October to the 31st or whatever, because this is our fall meal plan. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to proceed to look for some leaves to match the little picture that I had up here. I don't know if I need to show y'all all of this, but you know, we're just gonna roll with it. I'm just gonna continue to talk here and let y'all watch to see how to do this, because I know everybody is not computer savvy here. A lot of people just like I don't know how to do all that. So I just went on ahead and typed in leaves clip art, and I'm just gonna scroll through and see if I can find some leaves to match the little October picture. I didn't really have that much luck, y'all. I was trying to find some PNG leaves and it just was not happening. All right, so I pretty much gave up on trying to find those PNG leaves. So I went ahead and I typed in Halloween clip art and I found this cute little like spooky little haunted house. And I'm just going to do the same thing like I did for the October little picture. I just clicked on it and then copied the image, and then I'm going to go ahead and paste it onto the meal plan page. Now it will come up very large, so you know you're gonna have to shrink it down to size to fit where you want it to be. I made two, well, what I'm talking about, I pasted 2 houses to fit on each side of the October sign, and then I did space it out a little bit, as you're gonna see, because I thought I was gonna add a pumpkin, but girl, I was like, that is doing too much. My kids will be happy with just seeing the little October all decorative in the Halloween theme and the cute little spooky houses. Now remember that I made this meal plan using numbers that was already on my laptop. The laptop that I have is a MacBook Air. If you don't have a MacBook, I'm sure you can use the same little table chart and make it in Microsoft Word. If you don't have Microsoft Word, Canva is an app that you can make tons of stuff with. It has so many templates on there. All you have to do is search for meal plan template under the template search, and I'm pretty sure tons of things are going to come up You don't have to worry. It is a free version of Canva. I do have the pro version. It's nothing really different from the free version. You can do a lot more far as maybe have like a couple of cooler like fonts and stuff, but Canva is to me a good investment as well. But if you don't want to purchase the pro version, you can always use the free version. So I hope you guys enjoyed this portion of the video. I hope you learned something, and I think that this is a cool little decorative way to add some fun to your meal plan. And my kids absolutely love seeing the different little months of the year all decorated and like these little cute little, you know, the cute little pictures and little themes and stuff. And I absolutely love the back to school one. Is so cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and I hope you try this. And yeah, guys, that's how I make my meal plan a little bit more kid friendly and fun for the kids. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another Vlogtober video. I hope this video helps somebody out there. If you already have a meal plan, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. What is one of your go-to meals on your meal plan that your family just loves? And if you're not subscribed to me, please be a part of my YouTube family. I would love to have you here. Make sure your notification bell is turned on so you will not miss out any videos from me. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye bye. Mwah.